Now, even though most of my timber comes planed all round, I often find myself needing to smooth out rough timber, plane uneven boards, or match existing boards on repair jobs. The Ryobi AP13 thickness planer has served me well. Some great safety features include an overload protection switch and anti-kickback pawls, which prevent the wood kicking back towards the operator. The feed trays can be adjusted, and combined with the rollers on either side, remove snipe. Snipe is a divot that can be caused when the timber lifts slightly upon entering or exiting the feeding trays, applying too much pressure on the cutting head. It comes with two dust management options: the dust shroud, which directs chippings and dust downwards, or the dust extraction chute to connect to your vacuum. Some other features are the passover rollers to speed up workflow, and a depth scale and hand crank that raises or drops the cutter head by 2 mm per full rotation. A maximum cutting depth of 3 mm per pass is recommended. Remember that a lighter cut has a finer finish. The 2000 watt motor produces a speed of 8,000 RPM, and with a double cutting blade, that's 16,000 cuts per minute. It can plane hard and soft timber up to 318 mm wide and 153 mm thick at a feeding speed of about 8 meters per minute. The planer weighs 30.5 kgs and has handles on the sides for portability. And once finished, the feeding trays fold up easily for storage. It also comes with Allen wrenches, mounting bolts, and a blade setting gauge. This machine has definitely been a valuable asset in the workshop. And this is just one of the planing options available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.